Guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm about to get my hair cut, so I thought I would film a little vlog before and after it happens. So I'm waiting for the hairdresser to arrive and this is what she has to deal with. So it's been a while since I got my hair cut, so it's getting extremely long and very hard to handle. So I'm going to get all my layers cut and then get the ends like lightened. So I'm going to get, it's called like balayage, something like that. So we'll see how that goes. But if it goes badly, like all she does is lighten the ends of my curls, I'll just re-dye it all brown. So it's not the end of the world. But no, let's see what happens. Yeah.
And I've got a bit of work. So we have our easy meshing. And we have some freehand artwork going on there. I'm going to go round. Yeah, we've got a lot going on there. It's taking really well, actually. You can see it.
Oh, brilliant. I'm really excited to see what it looks like.
Right, part one.
Actually, you see that Robbie Williams? Yeah, everybody says it's always depressing. Why is he taking drugs?
It's that they go, it's addictive personality. No, it's not. It's people you hang around. Right. So we have 35 to 40 minutes later. We have the out of the shower look. Always look, see the difference. Lovely. Very nice. Just an update. Now for cutting.
So my hair's all done now, so I didn't want to show you it straight after, just because we tried to straighten it / curl it, but her straighteners weren't strong enough, I think is the word. Basically they couldn't straighten my hair, so it just went so frizzy, so I thought rewash it and we'll be good to go. So don't worry, it's not this length, like that's just one layer. So all she did was she sort of like has lightened all the ends of my hair, just to sort of make it a little more, even though we're going into autumn now, summery or lighter basically, and there's some really blonde bits in it, like look. Like some bits of my hair took to the bleach a lot more. I think mainly because, well, for my old fans, you might have realised I bleached my hair a while ago and dyed it pink. Well, half my hair anyway. And then I wanted it to go back to normal, so I dyed it brown. So when she's re-bleached it recently, it's sort of like, it went through the like previously bleached bits a lot quicker, so they are now white blonde. And then the other areas are just sort of like a lighter brown. But I really like it. I just wanted something to sort of just help my curls like stand out a bit more and look a bit, I don't know, fresher. I just wanted to change. But it just looks like this. So I've realised my camera's probably not showing everything, but yeah, so it's just a bit lighter basically. But now I'm really happy with it, and I was a bit worried about the bleach drying out my ends, but a little bit of coconut oil has fixed that, so they feel fine now. But no, so that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed being brought through the journey a little bit. If you did, I'll try and do it more often. I want to do like more little like vlog things and more things just about like my day-to-day life basically. But let me know what you think of my new hair. It is very, I don't know, like I really like it. Because it's still like normal from the top and then it just sort of changes colour a bit. But no, I find this bit hilarious. Like, look how blonde that chunk is. Like, what? Look, I have bleached blonde hair. Crazy. But it sort of works with curly hair having a bit of like rainbow colours. But yeah, so that's today's video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and I'll be back with more next time. If you haven't already, I'll link all my social media down below so you can go check that out. But apart from that, thanks for watching. Mwah.